Good day, everyone. This is a guitar tutorial for She Was Mine by Jesse Barrera and AJ Rafael. This is a request, so let's get on to it. Now, there are two sets of chords that we need to learn to cover a song. The first set is for the verse. The second set is for the chorus. Now, the outro will have essentially the same as the chorus with slight modification. Okay, let's start. So for the verse, you have 5 chords. The first chord is an F major 7. An F major 7 is mute, 8, 10, 9, 10, and 8. You can mute the first string. Depends on how you wanna play it. To me, in this song, I have muted it. I'm just using the 5th, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd. The second chord is a C minor 7. A C minor 7 is 8th, mute, 8, 8, 8, mute. C minor 7. The third chord is an F9. An F9 is mute, 8, 7, 8, 8, mute. F9 or F dominant 9. Now the fourth chord is a B flat major 7. A B flat major 7 is 6, mute, 7, 7, 6, mute. The fifth and the last chord in the verse is the B flat minor 7. A B flat minor 7 is 6, mute, 6, 6, 6, mute. So to recap, the 5 chords in a verse is F major 7, C minor 7, F9, B flat major 7, B flat minor 7. Now you will notice that this is not really a beginner guitar. But if you really love the song as much as I did, you will learn it. Okay. So how do we strum the verse or the chords in a verse? So there are 4 beats or 4 counts per chord, except for the second and the third, which shares the 4 beats. Meaning they'll only have 2 beats or 2 counts in a chord. Let me do that. So let's start with the F major 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F major 7, C minor 7, F9, B flat major 7, B flat minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you notice, the transition from the C minor 7 to the F9 is shorter than the transition of the other chords because of the number of beats. As I said, all the chords except for those two, except for the C minor 7 F9, have 4 beats per chord. Let me do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it, right? Okay, so now we're gonna learn how do I actually strum it. Now the way I strum it is I use my thumb to hit the bass notes or the root notes. If it's, let's say, if the root note is on the 5th string, I will use my thumb to hit the 5th string. If it's on the 6th string, like a C minor 7, I will hit the 6th string. What I do then with my pointing finger, my middle finger, and my ring finger, all these 3, I don't use my pinky, is to use it to strum string number 4, 3, and 2 all together. So for the F major 7, that that snare effect. Let me repeat that. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2. Let's slow it down. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. F major 7, C minor 7, F9, B flat major 7, B flat minor 7. 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. So I hop on a train 3 in the afternoon. I don't know when I'm coming back, but I hope that it's soon. See, I never thought that I have to leave your side. Your side. It's only physically, but know that you will be on my mind 24 hours at a time. 'Cause in my eye, you are mine, you are mine. And then it goes to the chorus. Now, this strumming and this chord should be the same for all the verse. There are 3 verses in the song, right? Verse 1 and 2 are exactly the same. Now, verse 3 will be a little different because in the song, the pace, the strumming will be a little slower. So the way it's done is like an arpeggio. The count and the beats are still the same. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So I'm going through these boxes, my life's gone off track. It's been 3 years since she hasn't written back, but in my eye, she's still mine. And I know it sounds so stupid to be waiting this long, but I'm still in love, and I know I'm not wrong. 'Cause in my eye, she was mine. See? You notice? It's the same chords as verse 1 and 2, but for this verse 3, it's just a different strumming. Okay. So now we're ready. We've learned the verse. Now we go to the chorus. Now the chorus has 4 chords. First chord is G minor 7. A G minor 7 is 3, mute, 3, 3, 3, mute. G minor 7. The second chord is a C7. C7. A C7 is mute, 3, 5, 3. 3, 5, 3, 5, 3. C7. The third is an A minor 7. A minor 7 is 5th, mute, 5th, 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 mute. Okay? A minor 7. The fourth and the last is a D7 or D dominant 7. Mute, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5. Or you can actually mute the first string. So it's easy because the form factor for a G minor 7 is the same form factor as the A minor 7, except that one is on the 3rd fret, the other is the A minor is on the 5th fret. The same with the C7 or C dominant 7. It's the root is on the 3rd fret, and for a D7, the root is on the 5th fret. But it's the same form factor. In terms of strumming, I use essentially the same strumming pattern as the verse. I use my thumb to hit the bass, either the 5th or the 6th string, depending on where the root note is. and I use my pointing finger, my middle finger, and my ring finger. I strum at the same time. And it's the same count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G minor 7, C7, A minor 7, D7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. No matter where you go, I won't be very far, 'cause in my head I'll be right there where you are. 'Cause love has no distance, baby, love. And love has no distance, baby, no. Not when it comes to you. And then it goes to the so there, those are the chords for the chorus. Now, the outro is essentially the same as the chorus, but we're adding two new chords: a D minor and a G. And the way I strum it also, it's a little different. I strum them at the same time to add a little bit of tension. No matter where I go, I won't be very far, 'cause in my head I'll be right there where you are. 'Cause love has no distance, baby, love. Love has no distance, baby, no. When it comes to you and me. D minor and G major. Not when it comes to you and me. So it's essentially the same count as well. It's 4, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then in the last two stanza, I just made an arpeggio to slow down. It's like we're closing. You and me. Not when it comes to you and me. There you go. If you need to practice, just review this video and also the cover, and then you will really learn it in a time. If you really love this song as much as I did, you'll have the chord diagrams while I'm doing this tutorial, and let me know. Enjoy, have fun. Bye bye.